Approach taken.
Yeah, 7 Romeo Papa's turning back direct Key West at this time and requesting lower.
7 Romeo Papa, roger, descend and maintain 3,000.
3,000, 7 Romeo Papa.
Let's see, here's some additional weather here's the weather we went around, here's additional weather. We've now turned back direct to the field. And our course is about 3 degrees to the right of the lubber line. So we'll turn on the bearing pointer, switch the bearing pointer to 3 degrees right. Come on, baby. Come on, 5. This is a little bulky. I don't know why. There it is. And now we'll switch to vertical and see how that looks. So looking out the window, it looks nasty, but looking at the radar, it's symmetrical top to bottom, so we know there's no water there. You got to learn to trust this vertical profile, or you'll drive yourself nuts doing this. And it's not rocket science. You don't have to, make rho sine theta or consult Pythagoras or anything. It's just that simple. It's a flashlight.
Keep your speed up, just so you know. There's weather about 5 miles east of International, only about a half-mile visibility. So if you don't get in, it might cross over to QS soon.
7 Romeo Papa, copy, thank you.
Okay, so we could use a turn maybe.
Is really nasty weather. They're at about a half-a-mile visibility with rain, gusting about 31 knots.
So here's another little trick. We go to vertical profile as we get closer to that, and then nudge the vertical profile until the tower in the vertical profile goes away, like so. So we need 10 left, or correction, 10 right. Yeah.
And 7 Romeo Papa, request 10 right.
7 Romeo Papa, deviations for weather are approved. Just let me know when you can proceed direct to field.
We'll
7 Romeo Papa.
Yeah, good. Okay, so that's done. We go back to the big picture, and you can see this is corroborating pretty well.
Negative.
So what runway are they using?
We got a report from Navy.
They're landing to the east.
They're landing to the east?
They're landing to the east, runway 9.
Perfect, okay.
So we'll go around behind.
So we'll do the base to the eastbound runway and scoot in there before the showers if there's any luck there. And if not, we'll make the turn away and pick our way over to Marathon. So we're going another 10 right to avoid this guy here. That's how it looks out the window. Recommend 130 knots or close to it. Bring your rate of descent to 300. It's a VS. Yeah. And power to 20 inches. Seatbelts.
Okay, we're going to pass this 1 cell to the left and then continue south, 5 Alpha Charlie.
Roger, deviations are approved at pilot's discretion.
5 Alpha Charlie, thank you. And 5 Alpha Charlie, we can also take lower.
I'm recentering your needle so we can see where the airport is.
Now, I'll get you lower just a moment.
Okay, 5 Alpha Charlie.
7 Romeo Papa, the center maintain 1,600. When Airport International is flight 11 o'clock, 15 miles.
1,600, we'll let you know. 7 Romeo Papa.
Okay. And so now we can go back.
7 Romeo Papa, sorry, did you say you had the field inside or you're looking?
Negative, we're still IMC. We'll let you know when we have the field.
Alright, we'll recenter this.
Approach, Bonanza 5,
You know what we might do? Just an idea, just a crazy idea.
Add some drag?
No, you already got enough drag with me in the airplane, so no, I was thinking we can activate, not activate vectors of final, but activate that leg outside of the final approach fix to give us a line to shoot for, since we're deviating as necessary. So we'll cover the final approach fix, select menu, enter, enter. That then draws the line to final. Now with that and radar, we can plot our course. All right, looking at radar, I say, let's wait. Oh, that's 40 miles, let's come down.
917, Romeo Papa traffic, 11 o'clock, 10 miles northbound, ZB 35, 1,700 in the climb.
7 Romeo Papa.
4-2
uniform traffic, 12 o'clock.
So the field is,
8 miles southwestbound,
Busby is 14 nautical miles. So that puts Busby up in this area here. So recommend after we get past this little guy here, we turn left to a heading of 180.
Yep.
Exit the clouds and see how it looks.
Okay.
And we're down to 1,600.
Just maintain VFR. Are you able to take it a little bit eastbound?
To stay VFR, I gotta stay on my current course. I could head a little bit out to the west if that.
So now let's, we are expediting our descent now.
I'm gonna add a little drag.
I wouldn't do that. I really wouldn't.
Okay.
Yeah, because we don't know what's going to happen, and the drag won't help us one bit. We're at the right speed. We're at a good speed.
I can maintain my current heading. I can start coming back to the east for 5442 uniform.
Roger, I'm going to kick him out. You maintain 2,000, or correction, you continue your climb. It's now 1 o'clock, 5 miles southwestbound, 2,800.
Okay, so we got this rain shower right in front of us. Recommend to turn back to the right.
7 Romeo Papa, descend to maintain 2,000.
Right away. Ignore her. Turn back to the right. Right away. Right away. 2240 on the heading.
Yeah, I think I can see right under it.
7 Romeo Papa, descend to maintain 2,500 for now.
Okay, 2,500. We're just through 2,400, so we'll arrest the descent.
Roger, sorry about that. Just want to get him out of the clouds.
Dick Rochfort, fly safely. Train off it.